Okay, my friends, so I want to just take a second, talk about how I make up the most fun little thank you packages. This one doesn't have any Scentsy in it. I'm actually making it for someone at my gym that I own, and I always give them Scentsy, so this time no Scentsy. But anyway, it could easily be car scents put in there, a bar. So I always start with a base, something that I can fill. Sometimes it's buckets, other times it's buckets that I fill like this. Sometimes it's, my favorite is cups, but it can be anything. And then what you fill inside, literally, just for me, it has to do with color. I'm looking for different colors. I'm also looking for textures, so I love different texture. And I, of course, like different things. So this is a face mask, candy, hot chocolate, caramel apple pop, socks, and a little fun pop open card. It isn't much. There's caramels on the bottom, some Dove chocolates, not anything over the top. I made a little gift card and literally just stuffed it all in there, added some shredded paper around the bottom. These look a little bit different because they're going to different people, but literally just have fun. Don't overthink it. Sit back. Sometimes, I know this is crazy, but sometimes I have to actually take a picture of what I'm creating to see if there needs to be more color pop to it or something. Anyway, I will change things over and over, so sometimes I just have to call it good and go. But I even do different textures and links for the bow, just because I'm all about adding contrast and texture. So anyway, I hope this helps inspire you to create something fun for your customers, for your team, for a friend in your life. Like I said, this does not have any Scentsy in it, but it would be super easy to Scentssify it with some bars, car scents, even samples, you guys. Like, literally could throw in a buttercream Scentsy wax sample into this, and it would absolutely, it would look perfect. Or even a warmer of the month flyer. Like, you could tuck anything in there and it would look super fun. So just get creative, put on some fun music, get out of your comfort zone, and see what magic you can make happen.